We're going to start Inventor first. Then we're going to go to File Manager and navigate to the A-Desk Inventor Tutorals. And in there, you're going to find a file. It has a yellow question mark and it says Inventor 11. You're going to right-click and copy that. Then you're going to go onto your desktop. As soon as this goes away. So I was in the A-Desk Inventor Tutorials file. I right-clicked on Inventor 11. Then I went out to my desktop and I'm going to right-click and paste that file onto the desktop. And then I'm going to double-click on that file. And if my Inventor program is open, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to use the Restore Down button. And I want the Inventor 11 file on the right-hand side to be showing. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to hit the little plus mark next to 2D Skills. And I'm going to select Constraining Geometry. So you want this Inventor window set up so that you can see this window on the right-hand side.